Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 111th Ave and 170th Street. Today we are looking at a 2022 Lexus RX 350 F Sport Series 3 in the color Grecian Water. Under the hood, you have an 8-speed automatic transmission, 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 295 horsepower. You have 20-inch F Sport alloy wheels, panoramic view monitors, and keyless entry into the vehicle. You have black leather interior throughout with a 10-way power driver's seat. And on your driver's panel, you have your auto high beams, your rear trunk hatch, heads-up display, heated steering, and your panoramic view monitors. And on your door panel, you have your memory seating, your powered windows, locks, and side mirrors. Your F-Sport steering wheel comes with paddle shifters, your Bluetooth and audio controls, your cruise control and lane assist settings. You also have your multi-infotainment display controls. And up top, you can see your heads-up display. Your screen display in the middle is controlled by your Lexus trackpad. You have your audio and your dual climate controls, a space for your device, charging ports, a wireless charging pad, your heated and ventilated front seat controls, cup holders, your mode selector, storage space in your center console, and above your controls for your sunroof. Heading into the rear seats, you have your heated seat controls in the middle. You also have your cup holders and storage space. And on either side, you have power folding rear seat controls. In the rear trunk, you have plenty of space with your spare tire below. You have alternate power folding rear seat controls, your tonneau cover to hide your belongings, the ability to lock the entire vehicle from your automatic closing trunk, and a kick sensor to open and close the rear hatch. So come down to Lexus of Edmonton today, where we will find a vehicle best suited for you.